Girl, let's cut right to it. I don't know any essential oil company that genuinely loves and appreciates normal people like me.
I don't understand that recipe you gave me at all.
Just follow my 17-step recipe to make this, girl.
That seems like a lot.
There's an easier way to make that perfect gift your friends will love.
Do I see all the ingredients you need in one easy box?
Yeah, it's Simply Earth's gift-giving recipe box. The easiest way you can make DIY gifts that your friends will love.
I was planning on getting everybody like $5 gift cards.
Gift cards are great, but if you really want to give from the heart, you should make it yourself. Warning, these gifts will cause uncontrollable holiday cheer.
Woo! Woo! Well, that's good because I didn't really want to do gift cards. Like, this seems great.
And I will teach you the secret powers of these aromas.
Really?
Yes, really. So if you want better advice than...
Just do it, heart emoji. Believe in yourself and you can do anything, kissy emoji.
These 100% pure essential oils come from amazing farms like these, so that our customers can be the hero.
I am a hero, and I can unpack the power of nature.
Girl boss coming through, get out of my way.
Click below to join the box that has over 6,000 5-star reviews to make these recipes with 5 ingredients or less. No more guessing, trust me. This box is so good that Santa is considering outsourcing.
But is it worth the cost?
You will save boatloads of money buying from us instead of MLM brands. We are serious about you mastering how to use essential oils and giving you an offer you can't refuse. So when you sign up today, you'll get a free big bonus box, hero course, an amazing community, free shipping, exclusive discounts, and no commitments if you want to skip or pause your subscription.
No way, that is way too good to be true.
It's really too good, but it is true.
But what will I learn?
You'll learn how to use these 4 oils, like how lemon brightens skin, spearmint is super cooling, nutmeg is great for stomach wellness, and winter spice is such an amazing holiday aroma.
These are amazing oils that I can use to make gifts for all my amazing people in my life.
And oh, we have these extras.
Are you kidding me? I want to make all of these into my gifts right now.
And with a new theme each month, you'll learn how to master essential oils in a new way with every box. All backed by our Earth-tastic 60-day satisfaction guarantee. You don't like using toxic products in your home? Check out Simply Earth's gift-giving recipe box right now.
High quality oils, pure.
Each month you get 4 oils and recipes and things to make your recipes. 13% of their profits go to ending human trafficking.
Spread love and happiness this season with thoughtful gifts. Don't wait, our monthly boxes sell out fast.